Hey there, this is Alicia Katz-Pollock from RoyalWise.com, and I am delighted to introduce you to a new class that we have on QuickBooks Desktop. Questiva's QuickBooks Desktop hands-on training, and it's designed to be a companion course to a textbook available from QuestivaConsultants.com called QuickBooks Desktop Hands-on Training. It's a 600-page book that's designed to be used in a college classroom, but we've taken it out of the classroom and we've made it available to anybody. So all you do is fire up your version of QuickBooks Desktop. The book comes with the files that you need, and it walks you through real-life scenarios of using QuickBooks Desktop, step by step, click by click. It says, okay, click here, type this, click here, type this. And so you really get to go step by step so that you really understand what to do, when, and why. If you've already bought the book, there's a discount code so that you can take that price off of this course. If you don't already have the book, it comes for free. And once you enroll, we'll send it to you. So why would you want to take this particular course? Because it's hot. It's hands-on training. You could go self-paced through the book, but some people want someone to ask questions to. I'm your instructor. So there's a discussions forum where anytime you have a question or you need help, you have a place to go and you have someone to help. You also can have all of your assignments graded. And there's quizzes that you can take to reinforce your knowledge. And the biggest reason is because by taking this course, you can get CPE credit because you've actually demonstrated that you've done the material. We are authorized for up to 30 hours of CPE credit for taking this class. So if you would like to learn QuickBooks Desktop, you love hands-on learning, you would love to get help and have a place to answer questions, you are in the right place. So join us for Questiva Consultants, QuickBooks Desktop hands-on training. And as I said, this course is hot. My name is Alicia Katz-Pollock, and I will see you in class.